McCurdy Auction's Premier Division invites you to join us for the auction of this incredible patio home located in Watercress Village, selling to the highest bidder regardless of price. This stunning custom home provides tranquility and peacefulness inside and out. Complete with 3+ bedrooms, this home features large open living spaces, high ceilings, and lots of natural sunlight. This private patio home features over 4,700 square feet of luxurious living space, perfect for entertaining and hosting family and friends. You will love living in Watercress Village, a family-friendly neighborhood that takes care of your mowing, watering, lawn application, exterior painting, and much more. Imagine the memories you and your family can create in this beautiful home, while only being minutes from Northwest Wichita fine dining and shopping. Bidding for this one-of-a-kind auction opens Tuesday, August 3rd at 2 p.m. and closes Thursday, August 19th at 2 p.m. For more information, visit McCurdyAuction.com, your real estate specialists.